on, guys? It's me, Linsay, with LinsayMoore.com, and in today's video, I'm going to share with you: should you create a YouTube channel, and is it too late to create a YouTube channel here in 2019? Now, before I get into the content, make sure you hit that subscribe button underneath this video, and also hit that notification bell, so that way you get more updates when I do videos like this onto YouTube. So, my question: should you start a YouTube channel in 2019? And my answer, I don't care if it's in 2020, 2021, my answer is always going to be hell yes. I was even talking about this back in 2014, 2015 when I was doing webinars, and I was telling people back then how important video marketing was going to be to you, to your business having success. How I even shared statistics on how so many companies and businesses were going to be implementing video marketing inside of their marketing in 2016, 2017, and whatever else. And look what has happened, right? So not only has companies stepped up with their video marketing, we now have Facebook trying to compete with YouTube. So they have Facebook Watch. You have Instagram Stories, not Instagram Stories, but you have Instagram Stories, you have Instagram TV. You have all these different apps that are implementing video into their marketing. If you use Facebook, right? Think about with the live streams. Live stream marketing, if you do a live stream, it shows up at the top of your news feed, right? Or you'll see somebody else in your feed or whatever else. Now you're getting notifications on Facebook about so-and-so is having a watch party. Come and check out their watch party. Everything is moving towards videos because videos is what's going to help you to convert more sales. Right? And I say this from experience because even when I promote different companies and I promote affiliate products, people always ask me, how am I getting sales? The reason why I'm getting sales is because of video. Think about how you joined my team. Think about the reason why you bought a product or service or my coaching or anything like that. You saw me on video. You probably went through several of my videos and then you eventually bought. That's the power of videos because they help you to build relationships a hell of a lot faster, right? And just think about it. That's the reason that probably you haven't bought something else a lot sooner, is because you don't have no type of real relationship with the person who was selling it, right? It's just something that you see on your newsfeed. You may like it, you may not like it, or whatever else. And prime example of this, right? So think about if you go to Amazon, right? You go to Amazon, you look for a product, and you didn't purchase that particular product, but then when you go onto your Facebook, now you see ads for it. Now you see the ads on it and ads for it in your Facebook Messenger and everything else, right? Because they're trying to put that information in front of you so many times in order for you to come back to their website and buy. And it's pretty much the same thing with videos, pretty much, right? You could watch one of my videos. You probably might be on the fence, like, no, this is the first time you see my video or something like that, and I'm promoting a product, and you might be on the fence about, purchasing it. But then guess what? You see my videos and the related videos on the side of YouTube, and then you watch another video, and then another video, and then another video. And guess what? Now you're hearing about the product several times. Now you're seeing my face, you're seeing my mannerisms, you're seeing how I talk. Now you're actually building that relationship with me, right? So now you feel more comfortable in order to whip out your credit card and purchase something, okay? That's how powerful video marketing is. Videos, and it's a great way for you to get brand exposure, for people to see you, to see that you are in business. And that's the one thing that I think hurts so many people when it comes to building their business online. And I always tell people, you need to do video marketing. You need to get over yourself, you need to get over your jitters, and you need to get in front of the camera, and you need to start recording something. And most people don't want to do it. Most people want to come online. They want to hide behind the computer screen, and they just want to post their links everywhere thinking that's what's going to make them a sale. And it's not that case. And depending on what type of niche that you're in, it's going to really require for you to kind of put your face out there, because people want to know who they're doing business with. People want to know who they're working with. They need to see your face. They need to see who they are connecting with, right? So if you're promoting any type of like network marketing company, or you're promoting your own coaching, your own products and your services, you need to be in front of the camera. That's what's going to make that connection. That's what's going to bridge the gap from that person, whipping out their credit card and buying from you. Okay? It's very, very important that you get in front of video. And yes, it's going to be uncomfortable the first few times or whatever else, but so is everything else that you have tried in your life. But don't let you not, being scared of being in front of a camera hold you back, because a lot of people are doing this, and a lot of people are, they're not seeing the results they want to see inside of their business. Now, is it mandatory for you to do videos in order to make money online? No. There's plenty of people out here who are making a lot of money with YouTube who never have their face on camera, and they're making a lot of money. So you can go that route too. But like I said, it depends on what type of niche that you're going in, that you want to make sure that you take heed to that and pay attention to that. But like I said, if you do like affiliate marketing and things like that, you can kind of hide behind the camera. Network marketing, where you're helping 3 people get their 3 people and everything else, then it's very, very important that you put yourself in front of the camera so people can get to know you. Do not let your camera shyness be the reason why you do not make money online. This is the best time ever to make money. This is the simplest time to ever make money online. It is the simplest time. Things are getting simpler and simpler and easy. I don't want to say really easy, but it's pretty much is, right? And videos is what's going to really help you to bridge that gap in order to convert sales, okay? So again, all you need to do, if you have a Gmail account, you already have access to a YouTube account. What you want to do is you want to go ahead and figure out what type of niche that you want to focus on, okay? So maybe you want to be in the niche that I am in. So I'm in the make money online internet marketing niche, okay? So you can go in that niche. If you like to talk about cooking and things like that, then that's going to be the route that you can go in, or whatever else, right? There are a wide variety of things that you can go, you can niche off to and create a channel about. So figure out what that is going to be and start putting out the content, okay? Don't overthink this. I know there's a lot of information out there, but the best way for you to get started is to just get started. Record something and go ahead and just put it out there so you can go ahead and get over those initial jitters that's keeping you from doing videos, okay? And then over time, you can learn how to set up a video properly, what type of equipment to get, and all these type of things like that as well. In the beginning, all I say is get your camera phone, record something, even if it's just like 3 minutes, record something, welcome people to your channel. That's your video. Upload it to YouTube, and guess what? On tomorrow, rinse and repeat and do the same exact thing and start getting into the habit of creating content, and then eventually learn how to monetize that channel so that way you can start to earn money from it. Okay, guys? So this is kind of like a random video, guys, because I have like a really busy day. But hopefully you find this video helpful, guys. If you want me to give more content and create more content and tutorials, actually breaking this down, how to actually create a successful YouTube channel and things like that as well, make sure you give me a thumbs up, comment, and ask your questions below, so that way I can get an idea of how to create this content, so that way you can create a successful YouTube channel, and so you can add this video marketing into your marketing strategy for 2019 and beyond, guys, okay? So go ahead and do that. And also below this video, I have a free 4-part video series that's going to show you how to make $100 to $300 per day online. And then also, make sure when you hit that page, when you hit that link, insert your best email address, because that way when you do that, I'm going to send you a free $97 course for free to your inbox that's going to show you how to make money online as well, okay? So go ahead, do that, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys on the next video.